Alright, welcome back guys. So today we are going to continue our lesson. So as I said before that today we are going to build the real prayer time API and also the real time of the widgets that we are built that we put in the home screen as well. So let's go to the ChatGPT. Okay, we add real time prayer screen. Where is the page? So alright, this is what we need. So I'm going to copy this, but I'm going to check with the latest version first. So this is the latest version. I'm going to copy this and let's go. We need to install the package. I think they already have here. Since already have, so we don't need to install again. Okay, then that we have the prayer time pack. Actually we already have. This is not the real one, but let me put it first. Alright, so let's me check with the prayer time page. Alright, here is the prayer page. So let's me add this. Okay, so now we already have this. Let's try to refresh. Alright, so let me see. This is the prayer time. You can see that, but actually this is the time that we set. It's not the real API based on your location, so we need to check as well. So since this is how we can see, even the time is real, but we need to also add the real API as well. So here is the suggestion from the ChatGPT as well. We need to add auto prayer time by location. Alright, so now let's me use this. Okay, so now what we need is the geocacher. So we need this. Since we already have this, but we also need this too, HTTP. I'm going to copy this too and install it. Yeah, it's too. So let's me get pop. Alright, then the next is we need to add also the location finder inside this manifest. You can see that manifest here. So the location is in the Android app, src main, and then you will see this file. So let's go. I'm going to copy this and find the Android here, app, src main, and here is the file. So what we need to add is we need to add here. So I'm going to make it this. I'm sorry, there is something wrong. We need to add above the application. All right. Then the next is also in the iOS. We also need this key. Calculate the prayer time. This is the permission. All right. So let's go to the iOS run and then info here. So I'm going to move down and put it here. All right. So since we already have this, let's go to create the service of the prayer time. I'm going to copy this because this is the folder service. I'm going to copy both of the file and the folder. All right, so let's go to the lib and then new file, and we in this. So we have the service prayer time, and here is the service. I'm going to copy this. Now you can see that this is the API of the SN that we use. So it will be the real time based on your location. The next is we also need the location service. Since we already have the service folder, I'm going to copy only the file of the location service. All right, so now we also have this location service. This is actually is the permission that we need to make the device allow the permission for the prayer time notification to pop up. All right, so now let's update the prayer time page again. All right, I'm going to copy this and go to the prayer time page. All right, here. So let's see how the prayer time works. At the same time, I'm going to check it first, then add notification and so on. So let's refresh. I'm going to make the hot refresh first. All right, so now I think maybe the internet problem, or maybe the internet problem. Let me check the yes, and we have this location, but we don't have the internet permission yet. So let need to be all of this first. Since we don't have that, so let's add the internet. User permission, then we find out the network. Says going to check first. Okay, let me find out the internet. So here is a permission that we need to add. You can see there is a lot, including the Bluetooth and any even Wi-Fi that you need. So for us, we need the internet connection. So let's try to find out. This is the location picker. Install background. Here is the internet. So actually we need this. sorry, we need this. All right, and let me clean up the code first. Flutter clean. So I'm going to rerun it again. Okay, let Flutter get. All right, perfect. Let's try to rerun it again. So remember, you have to enable the internet permission first before you can create the real API, because it requires the internet connection. So just wait for a while. It's running again. So no worry when you see the warming like this. So it's not affect to the real project. So here we go. Now let me check it. All right, you see that it required the location permission. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can make it the real API. So this is the real API of the prayer time. You can see this. And for now, let me also update the widget here that we have. So I'm going to copy this and let the AI generate first update to the real update prayer widget to real API 2. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow, so you can wait for a while. Alright, since we already have this, so let's see this. We have this as in the widget itself. Finder, and this is prayer. Alright. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the real-time prayer for this widget. Alright, so now we already have done this, the prayer time with the real API, with the real API of this, but you can see that this not look good yet, so we need to add on the next coming and the countdown of the prayer as well. So for the next video we are going to continue that. So thank you so much for watching this video. So we will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.